excited. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to be satisfying. Okay. Uh-oh, my streak look like it's running low. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so not me already almost breaking the charger. Just trying to like, really, is this what we do? Okay, let's do that later. While this is loading, I'm gonna show you guys some of the accessories I bought. I didn't buy these for my iPad, I mean for the MacBook. I just bought them in general, but of course I'm gonna use them on my charger. Also bought a clear case. Let's open that. Oh, that was fast.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's close you for now. It's making noises. There's a sick joke. I'm not going to use, I'll probably use this keyboard cover if I'm like eating or something, because the keyboard covers actually are not good for the screen.
dangerous real
Throw it away, babes.
real quick.
Computer. I'm definitely gotta take this with me. Some of these stickers I've had for so long, it's not even funny. It's kind of disgusting. Oh no, I think this sticker might be dead. This sticker's done. So I don't know if you guys know, but the new MacBooks do not come with any ports. It just comes with 2 lightning and a headphone jack. So this past year I've been editing on my iPad, so I bought some adapters. One for my USB and one for the SD card, and I also have HDMI that I try to use for like Fitness Plus. So instead of buying a whole hub, I just bought a little adapter pieces. They did not work at all. I tried connecting the adapter to even this piece because I have the USB-C one. So I tried connecting this to my computer and this to, like, with the adapter on it to my computer charger. It didn't even charge. So I ended up buying a hub anyway. I'll let y'all know if it works in the upcoming video because I am vlogging. So make sure you turn on post notifications and subscribe to my channel to see the next vlog to find out if the hub works. But my mom just so happened to have like one of these. It's a USB-C to USB, so that's what I'm using currently. But yeah, I thought I was outsmarting the system when in fact the system outsmarted me, so that's great.